Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life, and what a month it has been. Whoa! I know, crazy, right? It has been so much fun. I can't believe September is already almost over. And I thought, you know what? I'm a little concerned you might have missed one of our releases. I know some of you might not have it like scheduled on your phone to beep when we have a new release. So I thought it would be a good idea to sit down for a second or stand up for a second and show you some of the items that we released this month that you might have missed that you might want to get. The first one, and the most important to me, is the mini nativity set with the manger or nativity fold-it die. This one's really fun. It has our cute little baby Jesus and Mary and Joseph and the cute little angel, but it's also, it could be made into a card, which is really fun. Here's another example of that one. Just absolutely stunningly beautiful. Isn't that awesome? I absolutely love it. So that was my absolute favorite. But we also had our club set. Our club set was a great big huge jingle bell, which is really fun. It also came with a big bow. So cute. If you're a club member, boom, it already got to you already by now. Here's another example of how beautiful that one is on a flip it card. Love that gold fun jingle bell. We also released mini bells. So here's a cute one in a rustic version. Here's one in a regular version where you can see the club die and then the add-on dies. They're so adorable. I love them. My goodness. Now, we also released a slimline tree. Slimline cards fit in standard business sized envelopes. And look at how beautiful this one is. It has little mini jingle bells on it. So cute. Jingle all the way from our family to yours. Love it. Also, we released my cookie dog. Now this one's black, my cookie's white, but you can make your cookie any color you want. The bow and ponytail are separate. So if you want to add it, you can. If you don't want to, you don't have to. It's pretty fantastic. Absolutely love her. We also released a Mandela stamp and die set. Look at how gorgeous that is. Oh, look, we also released a peekaboo card. Look at that, gatefold peekaboo. Look at that, isn't that gorgeous? It's like magic. Ken likes to do this and he just goes over and over again, so fun. But this Mandela set, so we have the die now, but we also have the Mandela stamp and die set. You can color it, or you can color and ink your paper and then just color in monochrome, which is so beautiful, isn't it? We also released a fall beautiful leaf fold it. Now this one is actually put on the front of a card, but you could make that leaf a fold it card or shaped card, which is really fun. We even released some fun little outfits for our little peeps. Look at this cute little mummy. We also released a cute little elf costume, but look at how cute those are. And we even have these fun pumpkins there and this new Halloween die. Here's another cute one with our cute little mummy girl. She's all ready to go with a cute little fun wobble on her. And last but not least, I know a lot of you have been looking for these, the decal edged card dies that I took on HSN almost 2 years ago now that sold out. Now is your chance to get them on our website. Yay! They're so much fun. So club members, you know the deal. You're getting the discount on all of these. And you know what? If you missed out on them, go check them out now at thestampsoflife.com. I'll see you there. Bye-bye.